Bradford, West Yorkshire, England. About BD5 is a postcode district in Bradford, West Yorkshire. It includes places like Little Horton, West Bowling, Marshfields, Ripleyville, Canterbury. The population of BD5 is around 32,000 to 33,000 people, 2021 census. The area is quite densely populated and is largely urban, mixing residential, commercial, and light industrial sections. Demographics and economy. There is quite a diverse community. Many residents are from different ethnic backgrounds, including a significant Pakistani and South Asian community. There are also people from EU, mixed backgrounds. There are areas with both well-maintained housing and more rundown housing. Some streets are more challenged than others. Amenities, transport and connectivity. The area has reasonable access to shops, local services, and public transport. Some sectors are closer to main roads and the motorway, M606, which helps with connectivity. Opportunities. Its proximity to Bradford city centre, transport links, and local community amenities make it a viable place for families and people who want access to city services at lower cost than more central, expensive areas. And was dubbed the city's space-age shopping centre. It houses around 46 shops and food and drink businesses, including names like Primark, Sports Direct, and New Look. The centre has a two-level layout, a large council-run market, and a 650-space secure car park. It has been criticised as lacking architectural flair by Historic England, who decided it should not be granted listed status, clearing the way for demolition. Kirkgate is part of the City Village Regeneration Plan. It's due to be demolished and replaced by housing, green space, and new commercial areas as part of Bradford's long-term city centre overhaul. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and comments.